Report on celebrations of United Nations Day by Asia Africa Development Council managed by Council for Sustainable Peace and Development. Formation of United Nations from the ashes of the World War II. The United Nations today remains true to its founding mission to uphold peace and security, to bring nations and people together and improve lives everywhere. Equality and the dignity of the people remain its guiding principle, enriching the United Nations Charter, signed in San Francisco on June 26, 1945. The United Nations International Organization, founded in 1945, the year 2020 marks the 75th anniversary of the United Nations. On this historic anniversary, let's reflect on all humanity has achieved together and all that is still left to do. And let's recommend to the vision of the UN Charter. It's more relevant today than ever before. As awareness mechanism of United Nations actions and activities, Asia Africa Development Council, managed by Council for Sustainable Peace and Development. Council is licensed by Ministry of Corporate Affairs, Government of India, registered at MSME, NGO portal at Government of India. Council is constantly advocating United Nations Sustainable Development Agenda 2030, African Union Agenda 2063, Uganda Development Agenda 2040, and the vision document released by the Niti Aayog Strategy for New India at 75. This year, Council celebrated the United Nations Day using the virtual platform with the norms and directives issued regarding this COVID pandemic situation. During the event, Council discussed and deliberated challenges and the way forward for the creation of supportive mechanism for United Nations. Council released the Global Peace Champion Award 2020 in line to recognize the talent, skill, experience, and knowledge, wisdom in promotion of peace and sustainable development and imparting the COVID-19 services. Council hosted the event conducted by the Innovation Society of India linked to identify innovation, innovator, and invention, and also released the E-Innovation Award 2020 by the officials of Innovation Society of India. As per the jury recommendations based on the presentations held on 2nd October 2020 on the occasion of 150th birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi. E-Innovation Award 2020 was called to identify and recognize people, organizations under the innovation wheel linked with the experience, configuration, and offerings. The function was chaired by the Professor Dr. Kuldeep S. Charak under the dynamic leadership of Professor Dr. Ripuranjan Sinha, President, Innovation Society and Council for Sustainable Peace and Development. Professor Dr. Kuldeep S. Charak described the significance of United Nations in today's world. Moving ahead, Professor Dr. Ripuranjan Sinha, Director General, Asia Africa Development Council, managed by Council for Sustainable Peace and Development, shared his views on the importance of awards and recognition in preview of global innovation, peace, and sustainable development. He told about the various institutions and platforms managed by Council for the promotion of Asia and Africa continent. Further adding to his speech, he described about the flagship projects of the Council for promotion of local for vocal by providing the digital platforms to the entrepreneurs in the form of India Africa Knowledge Consortium through indiaafrica.org. Dr. Ashish Chanswamy, Director, Asia Africa Development Council, managed by Council for Sustainable Peace and Development, thrown light on the significance of Council in supporting the United Nations through the various activities and services of Council in promotion of sustainable peace and development. He also described about the awareness and activities taken for the achievement of the target laid down by the Government of India to reach the 5 trillion USD economy. Additional Director of Council, Dr. Ravi K. Nath, narrated the significance, peace, establishment and the requirement of innovative actions to be taken up for sustainable development in fellow human beings. Professor Haresh Tank, co-founder, Innovation Society of India, emphasized on the need of innovation, recognition and promoting amongst the youth to make India a developed nation. Event marked its ending by the final remarks and vote of thanks proposed by Professor Dr. D. Shanmuganathan, Secretary General, International Association of Sports and ICT. The event ended with the national anthem and the United Nations video presentation.